atom is a basic unit of matter that consists of a dense central nucleus surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. The atomic nucleus contains a mix of positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons.
The electrons of an atom are bound to the nucleus by the electromagnetic force. Atoms are minuscule objects with preternaturally tiny masses. Atoms can only be observed individually using special instruments such as the scanning tunneling microscope. Over 99% of an atom's mass is concentrated in the nucleus, with protons and neutrons having roughly equal mass.
The atom and the electrons that has negative charge. Its nucleus that has protons, positive charge, and neutrons with no charge.
The electron is a subatomic particle carrying a negative electric charge. It has no known components or substructure and therefore is believed to be an elementary particle.
It is impossible to calculate the exact position of any one electron. Electrons travel around the nucleus, however their paths are not well defined. Electrons arrangement. The number and arrangement of electrons in the electron cloud of an atom are responsible for many of physical and chemical properties of that element. Electron energy. All electrons in an atom are somewhere in the electron cloud. Some electrons are closer to the nucleus than others. The different areas in an atom are called energy level. Number of electrons, each energy level can hold the maximum number of electrons. The farther an energy is from the nucleus, the more electrons can hold.
They are usually found in atomic nucleus. The nucleus of most atomic consists of protons and neutrons, which are therefore collectively referred to as nucleus. The neutron is a subatomic particle with no net electric charge and a mass slightly larger than that of a proton.
The number of protons in a nucleus is atomic number and defines the type of element the atoms form. The number of neutrons is the neutron number and determines the isotope of an element.
The periodic table of chemical elements, also periodic table of the elements or just periodic table, is a tabular display or chemical elements.
The periodic table is now ubiquitous within the academic discipline of chemistry, providing a useful framework to classify, systematize, and compare all the many different forms of chemical behavior. The table has found many applications in chemistry, physics, biology, and engineering, especially chemical engineering. The current standard table contains 118 elements to date.
Here you can see a part of the periodic table. We're gonna first talk about the yellow part. The yellow part stands for everything. The first one it calls element. Then it comes the atomic number, then the symbol, then the atomic mass. Every table, every periodic table. Right here there are some symbols. The first three symbols tells you the state of matter of the element and room temperature. The fourth symbol identifies elements that are not present in a significant amount on Earth. Usually amount made insignificant. Columns of elements are called groups. Elements, the same group that have the similar chemical properties. They're talking about these columns.
Here is the other part of the periodic table. The blue one stands for metals, the green one stands for metalloids, and the yellow one stands for nonmetals. The color of an element block tells you if the element is metal, nonmetal, or metalloid. Columns of elements are called groups. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. Rows of elements are called period. Atomic number increases across a period. The lecture is a subatomic party. Hello?
The neutron is a subamotic.
Que fallé en
The periodic table is now publicly
Vos já sabes.
Element.